Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with NiFi Registry using secure authentication, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with NiFi Registry using secure authentication, start by preparing your environment. Ensure that you have the NiFi Registry instance running and accessible. Access the NiFi Registry properties file, typically located in the CONF directory. Open the application.properties file using your preferred text editor. Locate the security section within the properties file. Enable secure authentication by setting the nifi.security.user.login.identity.provider property. Define the identity provider you intend to use, such as LDAP or Kerberos. Configure the necessary properties for the selected identity provider. For LDAP, specify the LDAP server URL, user-based DN, and group-based DN. For Kerberos, ensure that the appropriate Kerberos configuration is defined. Once the settings are in place, save and close the application.properties file. Restart the NiFi Registry to apply the changes. Next, navigate to the NiFi Registry UI in your web browser. Attempt to log in using your credentials. If you're using LDAP, enter your LDAP username and password. For Kerberos, ensure you have a valid Kerberos ticket before attempting to log in. Once authenticated, explore the various features and capabilities of NiFi Registry. Remember to review the access control policies to ensure proper user permissions are set. Make note of any errors during authentication to troubleshoot as needed. You are now set up to use NiFi Registry with secure authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.